Has been neutralized.
Hello.
Come in, Daddy.
Oh, sorry, I accidentally muted my microphone.
Son of a bitch.
I've been talking just to...
I love it when you do that, when you speak for like 10 minutes and you're like,
Oh fuck, that's right.
what happened there was...
Okay. I am going to reach quit because I am missing 2 items. That's not too bad. I'm not raging quit like the game, but like, so I keep playing.
Yeah, that's good.
I mean, they hit. Heads.
What's more of
They're part of the Dell series. It's like just that set.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I've got everything else. Now I use my Traveler's Pledge in the Compass Rose, and then I've got everything. I've actually got quite a few ancients as well. Yeah.
Still built.
I don't know. I didn't think that I had the thing as well. Each stunned enemy is at 25 yards. Reduces your damage taken by 10%.
Listen up! Enemy helicopter! Stop! Your current position!
Okay. Great. I might do 1, maybe 2 greater Fs, and then I'll go and play some mischievous Foxane over here.
Sure.
Okay, Chris, Kevin.
So I wasn't listening, I was in the middle of it. What happened?
I was saying that I'm gonna quickly do like maybe a couple of things in this game, and then I'll come play with you.
That would just be glorious.
We need to quit the game, Danny. So we can get into
Eyes on enemy tank north of your location.
adventure, start game. Okay, starting now. That means I can do something else while I'm trying to get the wand of woe. Yeah!
I spotted enemy LAV. Objective Alpha has just been neutralized.
You know Nathan, the Patreon
Yes.
I think he's getting sponsorship from Burn Jenkins.
Motherfucker.
Objective
Yeah,
Alpha.
I think. Because he sent a snap of like Burn Jenkins 600 and he's like, new toy. He's like, funny. I hit him up and he's like, oh, funny how you think it's 600. And I'm like, oh my god, it's really cool.
Sure, that's pretty cool.
Because I think, as far as I'm aware, they blew that bike up. So what are we doing?
8% damage. How does this stack up? Oh, actually, oh no, my neck. It's not bad, eh?
It's pretty fucking good.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it.
Objective Echo is now on.
It's only 2.4 less than my other one.
How exactly does Diablo play? Like, what is it?
It's a hack and slash.
Hey, check.
No, RPG.
It's an RPG hack and slash. Well, a hack and slash is an RPG.
Yeah.
But it's a hack and slash. It's really
Objective
fun.
Foxtrot has been neutralized.
Like, it's actually a really fun game. It's got quite a bit of depth.
I got eyes on a hostile
Because
tank.
it's so old, they keep putting new shit to it. So it just keeps getting like more and more. I enjoy this. Okay, so yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What do you want to do? Greater Fs?
Yeah, what else? Like,
Oh.
are you built enough to do stuff?
Oh, I'm using my other guy.
Ah, right, yeah.
So,
Yeah, serious rifts.
yeah, bro.
Chain some shit up. Yeah, serious rift.
Spotted an enemy helicopter east of your position. We have neutralized Objective Foxtrot.
We try and do a 70.
You'll probably need to carry me, but I will gear up a little bit tankier than usual.
Oh, fuck it.
We just took Objective Foxtrot.
Okay, so now my cooldown reduction is 45%.
Oh, I wish you could have seen that.
Oh, if only you could find a way to make that happen.
Is it Alt F12?
I hate you so much.
Alt F10.
You are such a piece
I'm
of
going
shit.
Alt F10.